A friend of mine in Lagos, one of my mentees, he came. Sorry. His name is probably be listening to me. His name is Daniel. He said that when he comes to business place, they will look at him. The way he's succeeding, they will look at him and say, Daniel in the lion's den, Daniel in the, oh boy, you strong, Daniel. A bystander will not know that it's spiritual language that they are communicating. How can he be surviving among, it's only you that is going to market to sell. The people selling with you are lions looking for who to devour. And then you came empty-handed. Huh? The guy spends sometimes 3 days fasting at redemption camp. He comes and I showed him the way of priesthood and prayer. One of the days, I'm telling you, one of the days they collected his key and went to the up and kept it. He took prayer. You are going to the market, but they have collected the key that is used for business. In the spirit, marriage. If marriage must open for you, you need a key. It's a key that is handed to a lady that manifests physically as marriage. Yes, I know, because my father is a prophet and he taught us. Huh? In business, what you have for business is either key or keys. Are you getting what I'm saying? They took his key and hung it up, witches. The woman came physically and this one is not even shy. She's what they call in the East, they call her Ezewine. She came physically and warned him. Others came and warned him. It was when he fasted that he went to up and brought down his key. This is what happens among these people. They will come and tell you, let's join money and do business. When you join money, the two of you will experience loss. But you will notice that the loss did not affect the person's finance. In fact, are you hearing what I'm saying? I'm teaching you mystery. The two of you did business. You brought 800,000, you brought 1.2 million. You did business, and you experienced loss. Or you brought 5 million, he brought 8 million. You did business. The two of you experienced loss. But the guy bought a new car after the loss. You are not with me. You went to the village. I told you the two of you experienced loss. The two of you should be suffering, but he bought a new car. Because once you join money with that kind of person, what you are doing will be coming for him. Huh? The real money, the real things comes from the realm of the spirit by priesthood. I thought they said that Yahoo Boys is to press laptop. You have now seen it's not by laptop. Huh? The kind of devilish and demonic things they are doing, even the people that did blood money before did not do that one. And you come out normal and you are saying, Baba, teach me the way, teach me the way. They will teach you very soon. Because you don't know it's by power. It's by power. There is a plane that you can't rise into if you don't touch power. I'm telling you. One day my sister saw a vision. And she saw a plummet rising from a rock. And a voice came from darkness, from the right side of our building, and said, who told this one to rise? And it so happened that I was that plummet. They could not fathom how I was rising and missed the rock. Say after me, power. Say after me, power. Power. Hi. Say after me, power. Power. You will go back with power to your family and you will address everything that is wrong. Some of you, why your husband and your wife is misbehaving is because they are manipulated from an altar. What you need is power. What you need is fire. Fire. Raw fire. Raw fire. Raw fire. Raw fire.